Welcome to Green Button Go 2021 Software Highlights. Some of you may already be using Green Button Go. Some may have older versions. Many may be hearing about the scheduling software for the first time. You may have throughput challenges or demands on your time where you want to walk away to design or analyze your experiments and want a robot to be able to process the samples for you. Well, Green Button Go is your software. It is user-friendly. In less than 30 minutes, you can learn to make your method, starting from defining the system layout and run it in simulation. It is sample-friendly, giving you ease in configuring the sample source and providing chain of custody for your samples. You have access to fine control on low-level workflow commands through the Advanced tab. Auto-generated procedures, variables, data tables, scripts, user screens, and individual instrument commands are at your fingertips, allowing you flexible programming. The software provides robust automation. Beyond the standard stop, retry, ignore options, a runtime modify option is available that allows you full access to make changes to robot teach points, workflow, scripts, variables, data tables, or even live replacement of instruments. It is device agnostic and has powerful drivers, including a universal liquid handler driver. As your needs evolve, so does the software. Your voice helps us in developing new features, and every year we have a new major and a minor version of Green Button Go software. From 2019 to 2020, you will see that Python is supported besides Visual Basic, C# and JavaScript. Timing is crucial, and you can get an estimated time for X number of plates to be processed in a method with the plate timing calculator. Visualization is worth thousands of words, and the instrument utilization view assists you in making decisions on the usage of your work cell, for example, for better capital planning. Minimizing the number of clicks in process view makes your method development more efficient. Along with the user manual, you also have in-app contextual help within immediate reach to assist you in your queries. If an instrument error occurs during the run, the error window connects you to a support tool that auto-populates the service ticket submission window. We want your input, and you can rate your experience in real time with the feedback button. Let the drums roll, and here are the highlights of Green Button Go 2021. Our customers were requesting a more informative and useful schedule tab. Internal users, including programmers and application scientists, wished for a universal schedule tab for different scheduling scenarios and plugins. The schedule tab is used primarily to set up runs ahead of time, or to run multiple work cell processes at the same time, and to schedule work cell processes to run statically. You can also view times on past runs, completion status, and recovery runs that stopped prematurely. You have option to run the desired run as soon as the designated run completes, or you can use a timer to start runs concurrently, or even to initiate a run immediately, regardless of how many other runs are currently executing. The software supports variable and user screens that are presented when the run is scheduled, allowing you to determine what their values will be when the run actually starts. Likewise, multiple runs may be scheduled ahead of time, and each run can have separate variable values assigned. The new Schedule tab includes an intuitive user interaction with pre-scheduling and scheduling transparency with a calendar view. The Schedule tab gives a complete view of the schedule processes, populating all of them on a calendar. You see the weekly view, and here is the daily view. You can optimize the run with Essay Planner. You can check the process details, including the time each task will take. Also, you can see the Gantt chart for all the plates that will be processed. When you schedule, it places that work cell process on the calendar. You can see who is using the system from start time to end time. Let us talk about another scenario where you are doing time course experiments. In your lab, researchers want to use the high-value imager for kinetic reads, and it is a bottleneck as the work cell is being used by one person or being used for only one experiment. Don't you wish if you can walk up to the work cell and start or plan your time course experiment? Sure you can with GBG Batch Planner plugin. You can configure your experiment for how many cycles and what duration you want to set on the same work cell shared by many. On the same Schedule tab, in the same calendar, you can see your different experiments in unique colors. Here, it is showing the monthly calendar for how the work cell will be in use. Here, 2 runs are as multiple cycles, and at the bottom there is 1 run. That is the run with 1 cycle. Green Button Go 2021 offers the best combination of usability and flexibility. It not only runs, it allows for easy drag and drop creation of workflows, but also allows you to choose how and when those workflows are executed. From a single interface, you can enqueue a run in several different ways with varying levels of input. You may define a simple start time and input parameters in a max throughput dynamic run. Alternatively, you may prefer optimization supporting interleaving additional runs. You may even enqueue multiple runs for kinetic reads or time course studies. The truly novel thing about Green Button Go 2021 is the ability to provide all of this functionality within one interface where each operator in the lab can find the ideal scheduling tool for his or her task, and everybody can see the relationship between various scheduled runs on the same calendar. Better planning is possible by looking at the calendar, and it shows the conflict in the schedule if the case may be, and provides an alternate time of start. If feasible, interleaving happens, and you can view plate processes and individual tasks on each plate and see the barcodes if plates were barcode labeled. The new Schedule tab is a calendar view, and all runs can be viewed whether using the default Green Button Go scheduler or the Essay Planner or with GBG Batch Planner plugin, where you can have the multiple cycles. Now with the modified Schedule tab, you can better plan the experiments by seeing the availability of the work cell. It enhances system throughput dramatically with quick and effective parallel processing methods. It increases your walkaway time as you can focus on the imperative work of analysis. Please join us in the virtual exhibit booth number 7 in the video chat for Q&A. Those who are leaving, please come to our lightning talk from Transon Nguyen at Notable Labs, followed by Darren Arney from Biosero. Thank you.